Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's been a common question: how to remove pictures on Zillow in 2025. Whether you're a homeowner updating your listing or just fixing a mistake, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Zillow's interface has gotten even more user-friendly this year, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zillow account. If you don't have one, head over to Zillow.com and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your username in the top right corner. From there, select My Zillow to access your listings and saved properties. Now, find the property you want to edit. Click on it to open the details page. Look for the Edit Listing button. It's usually right under the property photos or in the menu options. Zillow's 2025 update makes this super intuitive, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Once you're in edit mode, scroll down to the photo gallery section. Here, you'll see all the uploaded images. To remove a picture, simply click on the image you want to delete. A small menu will pop up with options like Edit, Replace, or Delete. Select Delete and Zillow will prompt you to confirm. Just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. If you have multiple photos, repeat this for each one. Remember, Zillow might take a minute to update, especially if you're on a slower connection. After you've removed the pictures, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Voila! Your listing should now reflect the updates. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like photos not deleting, check Zillow's Help Center or contact their support. They're pretty responsive. There you have it, folks. Removing pictures on Zillow in 2025 is easier than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.